The sixth one is one that I think oftentimes can be a good one to show some kind of a struggle, a tragedy, but there was learning from it in this way. And again, many of the common stories you'll see, this is a good one to showcase the failure of the hero you're showing. So they find this goal that they're going to achieve. That's what your hero sort of sets out on, and they set out on this path of destruction. It's sort of the wrong goal to be going after, the wrong thing to doing, and eventually they do something, they commit a dark act, something that's wrong, not correct, it's bad, and they see this plan unravel. They kind of have taken the easier path, and they're defeated, or they die. Now, hopefully your characters don't die, right? Like for the story. But you get the idea behind it is that in some ways being able to tell failure stories can be really helpful. Now you can then have a second story on top of it, how they did succeed, but this can be one of those stories of showing that you took the easy path. You didn't do the right thing right away. You took something that was sort of simple and you failed. So if there's a story where they share a failure, take us through how they failed, why they thought it was the right thing, and what shortcuts they took to learn what we can learn from failure for the next time through.